Hello, my name is Jocelyn Jones and I'm from the Dutch Art Box, where we coach and inspire artists over the whole world to create a successful art career and a thriving business. Today I have another top tip for you: how to organize an unforgettable art exhibition. Now you can download our checklist and our top tips. The checklist has everything you need to tick all the boxes off to make sure that you haven't forgotten anything. And check out the super practical top tips that we have for you so that your art exhibition will be a success. You can follow the link in the description below and you will find everything you need to know. You can download it all for free. So good luck with your exhibition. See you next time.